Hey guys, this is Austin. I just wanted to let you know that today I wanted to kind of like share with you some information, some big information that you could make money like today, like right now, at least like $5 a day. Um, if you're if this is your first time watching my video, I know that this video is just like unedited or anything. Um, this is totally not a scam or anything. I'm not trying to scam you or anything. It's very legit. It's a business that it's been around for a while, and I just got into it. And all it is that you don't have to work day in and day out. You can probably make at least $500 a month, maybe, give or take, or maybe $5,000 a month, give or take. You know, um, it's fast and easy. All you have to do is sign up. But I'll leave the details below this video, and if you're interested, comment below, and I'll let you. I'll give you the info on how to get started. All right. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.